behold, with unveiled face, behold the glory of our great King, are being transformed from things of old, from glory to glory. We shall be like our Lord Jesus Christ, for we shall see him as he is, with boldness to stand when judgment's at hand, because we are just as he is.